We have all heard the saying that imitation is the greatest form of flattery, and we here at Carrier couldn't agree more. Even though we started producing packaged rooftop units back in the early 1950s and have helped shape and change the industry ever since, we have seen some companies trying to imitate our Weather Series commercial packaged rooftop models to look like our design and roof curb fit-up. To say the least, that, quite frankly, has flattered us even more, and at the same time has raised questions about just how one can imitate a design with so many years of proven experience and knowledge. To help answer that question, we tested a 5-ton competitor's commercial package gas heating, electric cooling rooftop unit that they claim may fit on the same roof curb we use. After an initial review of the unit and finding some concerns, we decided to test the unit on one of our most basic tests, the shipping test. This shipping test and related conditions are identical to the ones we use on our own equipment that simply simulates a unit being shipped to a job site or warehouse. We only tested one unit because many times that is all it takes for a job site. A standard 1-hour test was conducted. Let's take a few minutes and witness this competitor's unit's key findings for a shipping test. What you just witnessed is a bit alarming to us and is not the form of flattery we were looking for. We witnessed the first condenser fan grill screw coming out only after 5 minutes of test time. The second screw came out right after, at 6 minutes, the third after 20 minutes, the fourth at 25 minutes, and the fifth at 32 minutes, and the final one at 35 minutes. All of this led to the entire motor and grill dropping into the condenser coil section. Not only did the condenser fan section drop into the unit, it did substantial damage to the condenser coil within, basically classifying the unit as an unusable by Carrier standards and no doubt many others. In addition, we found the ground wire came completely off. This is a safety issue. The gas heat exchanger bracket was bent, which stressed the heat exchange connection at the collector box. The base pan under the compressor actually bent down, showing structural weakness in the base pan. And lastly, a refrigerant leak at the bottom feeder tube to the condenser coil removed all the charge in the system. Remember, these are the same tests and conditions our Carrier engineers design for in every rooftop and must pass to continue the design. We will not comment further on this competitor's unit's test, as this video is clear. But we will say this: if imitation is the greatest form of flattery, when it comes to this competitor's commercial package rooftop unit, we are not flattered, we are embarrassed. So when it comes to commercial packaged rooftops, choose right, choose the standard, choose Carrier.